Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. If you are new here, welcome. Come on in and join the family. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and remember the notification bell so you can be reminded every time I upload a video. My name is Jenny, and on this channel I create lovely DIYs using mostly items that I find at the Dollar Tree. I try to keep my DIYs budget friendly but easy to do. I am sharing with you in today's video 10 of my Christmas tree ornament DIYs. I hope everyone is well and I hope everyone is staying safe. If you want to see what I came up with, then keep watching. Hello my friends, thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. I am sharing with you in this video 10 Christmas tree ornaments. And I will be creating these in sets of twos. For the first two ornaments, I'll be using one of those 49-cent holiday picks from Hobby Lobby. I have some of these Dollar Tree tumbling blocks, and I'll be using 7 for one and 6 for the other one. I have some of this Dollar Tree red truck ribbon. I absolutely think this is so cute. I'll be using 2 of these little trees out of this Dollar Tree pack of mini trees, and I'll be using some red chalk paint. And the first thing I'm going to do is assemble my little tumbling blocks together. So I'm going to glue 2 sets of 2s. And then I'm going to start assembling the other pieces. The reason why I'm doing these in sets is because I am gifting 5 of these to my lovely niece. She moved in her new home this year, but we always share Christmas decorations together. And I wanted a set of 5 for me and a set of 5 for her, but I wanted them to be similar because that way she won't ask for mine. And so what I'm going to do is glue this last one to the bottom, and then I'll glue the other 2 right up against this piece here. And after I get all of that glued together, I am going to glue the other 6 tumbling blocks together, and I'm going to glue them in the same box form like I did the first ornament, but it will not have that middle piece like the first one did. And so all sets of these ornaments will be designed the same, but they will be styled a little different. And after I get this piece glued, I am going to go in with that crimson color chalk paint, and I am going to paint both of these ornaments with that color. And I really love this crimson color. This is such a pretty color for the holiday. And after I get both of these colored, I am going to now add my decor. I will be using some jute cord for all of the ornaments today because that's how I will make the hanger. So all of them will have the jute cord. So what I'm doing for this first ornament is just clipping all of these pieces off of this little holiday pick. And I absolutely love these Hobby Lobby holiday picks. These are just 49-cent, but they are so pretty. And so I'm going to glue these pieces to that center tumbling block. And I'm just going to glue the greenery down first, and then I'm going to go in and glue down the berries and the other little pieces that came off of the pick. And so for this ornament, I will be gifting this one to my niece, and I will be taking the other one because I like the red truck ribbon that I'm going to add to that ornament, and I think that would be cute on my tree for the boys because I did create some red truck holiday decor for their bedroom, so that'll be cute for the tree. And so what I'm doing for this ornament is I'm just going to go in and clip off the ribbon to where I have 2 trucks on the ribbon, and then I'm going to glue that down to the bottom. I'm going to cut another piece of the ribbon first so I can try to make sure that they are the same size, because I'm going to glue one to the bottom and I'm going to glue one to the top, and I'm just going to use my hot glue for that step, and I'm just going to press it down and then clip off any ribbon that may be hanging off the sides. Actually, I think this little red truck ribbon ornament may be my favorite. I'm definitely keeping this one for myself because I think it is so cute. And when I add the little trees, oh, it is so adorable to me. And I'm going to glue down 2 of the little Dollar Tree mini trees right on top of there. And this is so cute. And then what I'm going to do is now create the hanger. And I'll be using jute cord to add. So I will be just adding some glue to the back and pressing the jute cord down. And this will be how I will be doing all of the ornaments today. And so what I'm going to do is do the same thing to the other ornament. Just add the glue and then add the jute cord. And then after I get the jute cord, these are how they turned out. They are so cute. I absolutely love this one. This one will definitely be styled on my tree. This is so adorable. I absolutely love the little mini trees. And then the other ornament will be for my niece's tree. And I think this is so pretty. I hope she liked this. She already have her tree up, so this will fit perfect for her. And so I'm going to get started on the second set of ornaments for today. One of these long wood planks from the Dollar Tree. I have $1.98 holiday pick from Walmart, as well as 2 rolls of the ribbon, and I'll be using some of my Java color chalk paint. The first thing I'm going to do is just measure the wood plank, because I'm going to take my Dollar Tree knife and I'm just going to keep going over the center until I see it crack. I could just break it in half. Now you can cut this however you want. I'm just doing it this way. And I'm just going to flip it over and try to cut it. And then if it's just a little bit uneven, I'll just take my scissors and cut off anything extra. And then I'm going to take my little Dollar Tree sanding block just to smooth it down. Well, I'm actually using my Dollar Tree sanding paper. And I'm just going to sand that down a little bit. And after I get everything sanded down, I'm going to go in with that Java color chalk paint, and I'm just going to paint both of these little wood planks. And after I get everything painted, I am going to go in and now add my ribbon. So I'm just going to add a piece of ribbon to the top of the wood plank as well as the bottom. So I'm just using my hot glue to tack it down. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side. So it's going to be ribbon at the top and the bottom of these ornaments. And so I'm just adding the ribbon, adding a little hot glue, and then I'm just going to press everything down to make sure that it's secure. And so after I get that secured, I am going to do the exact same thing with the second ornament. I'll just be using different ribbon for this one. And I will be gluing the ribbon to the top as well as the bottom of this piece. And after I get the ribbon tacked down to this piece here, I am going to go in and clip off the leaves and the berries from this holiday pick here, because I'm going to style both of these, but I'm going to use the longer leaves for one, and then I'm going to use the other greenery for the other one, and I'll be using berry for both of them. And so now what I'm going to do is add my greenery pieces, and I'm just going to add a little glue because these are going to stick right up under the ribbon. And so I'm going to use these greenery pieces for the first one, and then I will be adding some of the berries right on top. And I really think these are so cute. And so I'm just going to add another little berry. And then what I'm going to do is take the other one, and I'm going to use the other leaves for this one, just tucking them right up under the ribbon, adding a little glue, and then I'm going to glue the berries right on top of this one as well. And so after I get my berries attached, I am going to add my jute cord to the back of these two so that they can hang. And I'm doing the same thing that I did for the first set of ornaments. I'm just adding the glue, and then I'm adding the jute cord to the back. doing the same step to the other two. And then once I get the jute cord down, this set of ornaments will be complete as well. And I really love how these turned out. They are so cute. I love this ribbon here. It is so adorable. I really like how they turned out. They're kind of giving me high-end feels to them. And then here's the other one. Absolutely adorable. And so now I'm going to get ready to get started on the third set of ornaments for today. And for these ornaments, I'll be using that Dollar Tree stencil, and I have some of this Walmart ribbon. This one I think was $2.98, and I have some of these tumbling blocks again, and I have these in sets of 5, as well as some white sharp paint. The first thing I'm doing is gluing my tumbling blocks together, and I'm just gluing them right next to each other. And so I'm just going to add glue, and then I'm going to add the other 2 sets together, and I'm just gluing one right next to the other. And so after I get these glued together, I'm not going to paint those. I'm going to go in with that Walmart ribbon, and I'm just going to tack it down to the tumbling blocks, and I'm just going to wrap it and add some glue. And I think these are so simple, but these are so cute. And then I'm just going to cut off the excess ribbon, and I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other set of blocks. I'm just going to add the glue and wrap the ribbon around that one as well. And I'm just tacking the ribbon down the same way that I did the first ornament. And then after I get the excess ribbon cut off, I am going to go in with the Dollar Tree stencil, and I am going to stencil Joy on one. And as you can see, I did add the jute cord already because I didn't want to have to flip it over after I paint it. And so I am going to add Love on one and Joy on the other one, and I'm just using my little foam brush, the little round foam brush from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going up and down right on top of the stencil. And then once I feel like I have enough coverage, I will pull the stencil up. I think this is simple, but these are really cute. I'm excited about me and my niece having these on our trees. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to stencil Joy on this one. And I'm doing the same technique, just going up and down with the little round foam brush. And I think these are so adorable. Oh, these are so cute. And here's the Joy ornament. I think I'm going to keep the Joy, and I'm going to give her the love. And I think these are so adorable. I am excited about these. And so what I'm going to do now is I am going to get ready and get started on the 4th set of ornaments for today. This is another simple set. I'll be using 2 of these little round wreaths from Hobby Lobby, and I think you get these in a pack of 6 for $2. I have some of these little frosted pine cones from Walmart, and you get that pack for $1.98. I also will be using some white chalk paint and some jute cord. So first I'm taking this jute cord and I'm just wrapping it around these little mini wreaths just to give it a little extra texture. Why did I like saying that? Extra texture. That was cute. And so after I get the other jute cord wrapped around this wreath for some extra texture, I am going to go in and add my little frosted pine cones. I will be using the other wreaths that came in this pack. I think there was 6, and I'm going to create some more of these little ornaments for my tree because I actually like these little mini wreath ornaments. I think I'm definitely going to create a few more for my tree. And so what I'm doing is just taking some hot glue and just adding the little pine cones. I'm not adding them in any specific form, just taking them and kind of adding them sideways a little bit. Now what I'm going to do is take that chalk paint and I'm going to dab over these wreaths with that chalk paint. And I am going to add the tatted jute cord around these as well. For one of these wreaths, I'm going to glue down a few of those berries that I pulled off that previous pic just to give one of them a different look. I didn't want to make these two different because these are really cute, and I know my niece would like this, and so I wanted one for both of our trees. But I think I am going to add the berries to the one that I am going to keep. So after I add the jute cord to both of these and glue down a little berry on one, here's how they turn out. These are really pretty. I definitely am going to use the remaining wreaths to create more of these for my tree. And there's the one with the berries on there. I think this is so cute. And so I'm going to get started on the last set of ornaments for today. And so for this set of ornament, I'll be using the dark color tumbling blocks from the Dollar Tree. I have 10 of those. I will be using some of these Dollar Tree berries, and I'm going to use 2 rows of ribbon to make the style different. So what I'm going to do is I'm gluing these 5 pieces together, but I'm gluing them the other way because I'm trying to create a thicker block. I want these to look like a little crate, because these are going to be like a crate of berries. So once I get both sets glued together, I am going to take my Dollar Tree sanding block to distress these a little bit. So I'm just going to go over to try to get some of that dark color off, just some. And then what I'm going to do, I dropped it, sorry. And then what I'm going to do next is just take pieces of those berries, and I'm going to glue those right on top because I'm trying to make these look like crates of berries. So I'm just going to clip off some berries and then add some hot glue to the top of the blocks, and then just glue the berries right on top. And I really like these, and I think my niece is going to love these as well. But I will be using 2 different styles of ribbon. So this first ribbon I did get from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to wrap it right around my little mini crate. And then I'm going to cut off the excess. And then for the other one, I'm using some Walmart burlap ribbon, and that roll was like $1.98 at Walmart. And this is the one that I'm going to keep for myself. And then I'm just going to add some of the jute cord to the back of this so we can be able to hang these. And after I get the jute cord glued down, and I'm doing it the same way I did my previous ornaments, both of these will be ready. And so I'm going to add the jute cord to the other ornament, and then these will be complete. And here is a look of all of the DIY ornaments that I created today. I absolutely love how they all turned out. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. I am truly grateful, and I truly appreciate all of your support. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. As always, in the comment box below, let me know which one of these were your favorite. And until next time, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.